You were just involved in an auto accident involving an 18-wheeler. We hope you're okay, because it can absolutely be a catastrophic situation. But you need to hire Schwartz & Associates injury lawyers because these cases are so complex. The trucking company and their insurance companies are going to start working on these cases immediately. 18-wheelers have dash cams. The insurance company is going to get a hold of that dash cam and try to find any reason they can to deny your claim out the gate. So it's so important that you hire a law firm. We handle 18-wheeler cases each and every day. We know how to take on the 18-wheelers and their insurance companies. So when you've been involved in that accident, hire Schwartz & Associates immediately. It is going to take a load off of you and alleviate a lot of stress. Really important, always call the authorities. Get that accident report when you're at the scene. You know, your adrenaline's going to be running. It's a stressful situation. Go get medical treatment. You may think you're okay at the scene because of what you're dealing with immediately, but the human body is complex, so it's really important that you go get checked out. Injuries can have a way of not developing for a day or two or three, or they can be so much more severe than you really think they are, and that's where you need to rely on those medical professionals to get you on the path to recovery. So always get medical treatment, and it's really important that you be an excellent historian for them, outlining what symptoms you're having. Where are you having pain that you were not having before that accident? Because the insurance company is not going to consider an injury if it is not referenced in your medical records. The next point, you always want to get pictures. If you can get pictures at the scene because you're physically able to, please do that. If you have injuries that have bruising, cuts, you have a cast because you had a broken bone, you had to have surgery and you've got pins or rods that are external fixation, take a picture of that. Those pictures will be worth 1,000 words and enhance the value of your case. Another key is don't get on social media. We all love to get on social media. We like to share pictures and share information, but when it comes to your accident, lock it down. You need to check your privacy settings of social media because the insurance company's going to try to find you. They are going to try to find your social media and are going to try to use any photo they can against you. If you happen to take a vacation post-accident, if you were just in your yard, they may use that against you. So really important to check your privacy settings on social media and don't post information about the accident. Another key is if you're missing time as a result of the accident, make sure you're communicating with your employer because we will be able to recover those lost wages, but you have to have a doctor's excuse for the time you're missing from work, and we'll have to get confirmation from your employer that you missed time from work as a result of injury sustained in the accident. So as you go through this, the stress, the strain, you hire Schwartz & Associates injury lawyers because it's going to alleviate that from you. It's going to take that burden off of you and allow us to focus on the legal fight while you focus on your health. So remember, hire us immediately. We're going to step in. We're going to be there. We're going to walk hand in hand with you throughout the whole legal process. If we have to pick you up and carry you to get you down so that you can focus on your health, we will do that. We're not only going to fight to be your law firm, we're going to fight to be your friend, your advocate, and counselor throughout this whole process. So always remember, it just takes one call, that's all.